Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Wednesday, the 8th of July. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. Quick recap of yesterday's rainfall. So it's interesting, right? So it's talking about all the heavy rain that was possible. Let's see, yesterday was Tuesday. So Monday, we talked about the potential for heavy rain and flash flooding because it looked like we were going to get a lot of rain in a short amount of time. And then yesterday, it looked like we were going to get less rain over a longer period of time. And indeed, when it was all over, southeastern Massachusetts did the best, from basically Pembroke down to Acushnet, Edgartown, Mashpee, Falmouth, all in the sort of 2 to 6 inches. Falmouth over 6 inches of rain yesterday. And, over a couple of days, that's really great. It's really great for the drought. And then you get up towards Boston, and it's basically 1 to 2 inches of rain, which is nothing to sneeze at. Certainly, over the course of a day, to get that amount of rain is a lot better than to get an hour. I think yesterday, between like 6 and 7, Boston had half an inch of rain. It's pretty good. I'd like to see that over 3 hours, but, we'll take it. And the reason being is that the faster the rain comes down, the less gets absorbed into the ground and the more that goes into runoff. And the slower the rain comes down, the more we get. So it's kind of a crappy forecast, frankly, kind of flipping back and forth between too much rain and then pulled back a little bit yesterday. And then in the end, it ended up a little further north than I thought. So if this had been winter, it probably would have been a disastrous forecast. But it's not winter, so it's rain, and we needed the rain anyway. And we all knew that it was going to be a cloudy, showery day. So the exact amounts were off at times, depending on where you were. Okay, let's get back to today. So it's cloudy this morning. We're going to see the clouds depart, and we're going to see some sunshine across the area. Temperatures this afternoon getting into the upper 70s to lower 80s, depending on exactly where you are and when I get that sun back out here today. In terms of dew points, mostly are in the 60s, so it'll feel a little bit muggy with the decreasing clouds tonight. We're down in the low 60s, mid to upper 60s in Boston. Then we go 85 to 90 for Thursday and Friday. The difference between the 2 days is there will be a few late day showers and thunderstorms on Friday. And as we had for Saturday, mostly sunny skies, low 80s. Sunday, mostly sunny, low to mid 80s. And then we're in the mid to upper 80s Monday and Tuesday of next week. Looks really nice in terms of weather that's coming in here. So if you're on vacation, I get it. A couple of days of rainy activity this time of the year you're not liking, but we need it. We needed the rain. So here we go. We got it, and then it's back to the dry weather and pretty warm, pretty nice beach weather. So hopefully if you had some indoor things to get done, you got it done yesterday. And back to the sunshine for today. By the way, we are sponsored by Valenti Farms in Needham, for all your garden needs. And you still can plant. I'll be putting some beans in today. Have a great morning, everybody.